guys, we're going to be going into this my back room with my dog. See what he's going to do. Last time he was laying on the couch and he fell on his back. We have that on there because sometimes at 5, 4, or 3 a.m. he usually escapes and stuff. So pull it off. Let's go. What's up, boy? See, look, he's laying on the couch right now. That's when we walked in. He's just laying on the couch, chilling. Now he on it. What's up? Let's see if he's calm. Hey, calm down. See if he's calm. Macho, macho. Yep, he's calm. Let's see if he's hungry. Buzz, bring some food in here.
Oh, me?
Let's see. Let's see if he'll attack me, because he usually attacks us. He's sometimes calm, but sometimes not calm, so you might want to watch out. Calm down. No, calm down, Macho. Calm down. You like in some of those videos, well, in one of those videos, I think, that was my sister. That's my sister, but I don't really get to see her, but she probably coming over this weekend too. So it doesn't really matter. Bye, guys.